In this video, I will be recreating Photoshop artworks in Ibis Paint X. If you want to watch the full video in speed art, then check the link in comments. Also, if you want to watch the original Photoshop version of this edit, then check the link in description. I have mentioned the Photoshop artist in stock images.
Boom. Here we are in Ibis Paint X, baby. Let's kick things off by throwing in this image. Yep, this bad boy right here is gonna be our foreground. Oh, and yeah, I already masked out the sky. Why? Because I'm fancy, and we're slapping in a new sky later. No big deal. So we've got that in place. Now watch this. Duplicate, flip, drag it up. Smooth, right? Keep that locked in while I drop in this oh-so-sexy sky to fill the background. Look at that. Gorgeous. But wait, you want depth? I gotcha. Let's throw in some fog using the cloud brush. You didn't think I was gonna leave it flat, did ya? Oh, and yeah, we'll slap some fog behind this layer too. Different colors? Sure, because I don't do boring. Let's go darker, moodier, like me before my coffee. Now, brace yourselves for the juicy part. I'm adding in this delicious orange. Right here. Just right about here. Boom. Oh wait. Shadows. Yeah, that's better. Gotta give the orange some love underneath. Hold up, before we cut this thing out, let's draw a shape real quick. It's gonna help us trace the masterpiece later. Smart, huh? Now, with the lasso tool, oh yeah, just like that. Selection made. Duplicate it and boom. Top portion, masked out. Now, invert, duplicate, and bam. Bottom portion, masked out. It's like magic, but without the cape and tights. Now let's toss in that orange slice. Get it all trimmed up like it's going to prom. Transparent top? Say less. Filters, desaturate. Done. Let's mess around with blend modes for a sec. Ooh, shiny. Oh, and we can't forget the leaves. Chop, chop. Slice them out like a ninja. Now that's looking fabulous. And because we made the top transparent, I'm slapping in some shadows here. Depth for days. Next up, let's trace that shape because, spoiler alert, we're adding a freaking swan. Yeah, I said it. Swan time, baby. Resize it just right. Goldilocks style, not too big, not too small. Perfection. Now, let's get surgical. Duplicate, start masking out the swan. Careful now. This part's trickier than trying to text with boxing gloves on, but hey, I'm a pro. And there it is. Look at that. It's like a swan on steroids. Perfect shadows, lighting, the works. So, what you think? Drop a comment and let me know how much you love this masterpiece. Until next time, same channel, SMN out. Bye.